Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will start with lesson number 20, Shikhara Adavu. So in this lesson, all the steps will be done using Shikhara Hasta. So the first part of all the steps will start with Shikhara Hasta. So today I will show the Adavu number 1 of Shikhara Adavu. So let's begin. First, I will teach the footwork of Adavu number 1 in Shikhara Adavu. You have to take Aramandi posture. Then start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll explain now. In beat number 1 and 2, you have to tap your both the feet. Right, left. 1, 2. Then 3. You have to spread your leg in Alidha posture. In 4th beat, there is no change in leg. So in 5th, you have to pin your feet near to your other feet in Aramandi posture. Then again, you have to do Alidha posture in 6th beat. Then in 7th beat, you have to cross your left leg in front as Krishna Pada posture. Then jump and take back the left leg to Swastika posture. Again I will show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start, take, down, hit, take, down, start, take, down, hit, take. So now I will show the hand gestures. So first you have to hold Shikhara Hasta. So I have already told. So this Adavu is called Shikhara Adavu. So it will start with Shikhara Hasta. Take Aramandi posture and start. Start, take, down, hit, take, down, start, take, down, hit, take. Again, start, take, down, hit, take, down, start, take, down, hit, take. So I'll explain the hand gestures. So 1, 2, 3, you have to do the hand in sliding way and keep it at shoulder level. So the hand will change to Pataka Hasta. From Shikhara, you have to take Pataka Hasta. 1, 2, 3. Then in 4th beat, there will be no change in leg, but you have to turn your hand. So if you are doing on the right side, you have to turn your hand. You have to turn your right hand. So just like turn in 4th beat, then 5th hand will come to its position and you have to bring back your feet. Then you have to hold Kataka Mukha. So now 6th beat, 6, then 7, then you have to slightly jump and do 8th beat. So the upper hand will be Shikhara